Hello, and welcome to learning about Microsoft's Viva Insights. This application is to help with the work-life balance of well-being. So whenever you open your Microsoft Outlook, you might notice that it says your daily briefing. This is a way that Viva Insights kind of sneaks into your inbox and allows you to look at your day from a quick preview. So as you see here, it allows you to schedule time to set it aside, focus time, catching up on messages, taking a break, learning, and then also different commitments and follow ups. You can mark them as completed or you can throw them away as you wish. Also, it offers right here a different headspace so you can listen to different music if you would like to help you get through your day. Yes, very nice. So we go over here. So this is Microsoft Teams. You can actually access Viva Insights by looking up your different applications right here. Then you can click it and you can add it right here to your favorites. So whenever you open up Viva Insights through Microsoft Teams, you will see first this is like your dashboard. It's your homepage. It lets you know what's next up on your calendar. You can also channel how you're feeling that day from very good to very bad, and it's kept private. You will just be able to see how your week changed over time. Over here, if you scroll down, you see that you can send praise to your colleagues. You can also look at your history if someone had sent praise to you. Over here, we have your workday flow state. Headspace is an application that helps with meditation, especially just calming down and focusing on breathing. So they have different exercises that you may partake in through Viva Insights. At the bottom, you see where you could stay connected, protect your time, and then Microsoft To Do. So these two are also included in the tab at the top right here, Stay Connected, Protect Time, as well as Inspiration Library. So let's focus on going through this dashboard first. So we see right here, we could view your praise or send praise. So what this looks like is you could type a colleague's name right here. So Amanda Pritchard right there. You could send it as a one-on-one chat or within a team. You can say as to why you are sending the praise, if they were awesome, a high achiever, or a great leader. And you can have a little personalized note. Thank you for being an awesome leader. And then once you have that typed up, you can see what it would look like. And you can go back to editing if you wish. Then if you decide to cancel, you may right here, or you can just go ahead and send it. All right, and I sent it over to her, so she'll see it in a one-on-one chat. Right here, if you would like to have different reminders of having the consistency of reminding people how awesome they do on your team, you can select what days and then what time all around the clock. This is great for people who work with international collaborators, different time zones. And set a reminder to yourself like, hey, I need to tell that person that they've been doing awesome this week. Here at the bottom, you can see where you have praise history. So you can go to your message there, you click it, and then it pops up where it had posted. So it might be in a one-on-one chat or through the Teams channel where they may had posted it. Scrolling back up to the top, let's go to Stay Connected. So right here, you could see up on the any conversations that you may have pinned. So right here, Amanda had sent me something about an art contest we were having. So this is saying if you had said that you were going to do something, it helps you as a reminder to do to follow up. So I can pin this right here. And then now it's saved at the top. And then choose how often you want to catch up with different people. I could set a one-on-one reminder as well. And then the rest are left here at the bottom. This also has a reminder for connecting with people. If you want to send praise here, you also can. Protecting your time. This kind of goes, it matches with the headspace idea, and it allows you to kind of refocus on yourself, center your concentration, and focus on what you need to book time for. So for myself right here, I have it booked from next Monday all the way to next Friday, focus time from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. So how this looks in my calendar is it's going to have it booked off. So then people will see that I have focus time. And you can also have it to where your notifications are set to do not disturb at this time. Going back to the Viva Insights right here, protecting your time, you can see that it is booked for the entirety of the week, and that is as far as it goes up to. However, if you would like to have different reminders just set up for all the weeks or specific days, you can do that here as well. This is great if you want to have focus time to just catch up on emails or even just booking your lunch. Right here we have the inspiration library. So this section is broken down into well-being. We also have culture, impact, and resilience. These are different little courses that you can watch at your leisure if you want to learn more about how to sustain your well-being in your own work culture. So let's give a preview right here. So this will take roughly 5 minutes. So you can just read through here. Keep your mind stimulated, but have that kind of leisurely reading as well. And then you can mark it as read. You can share it, like, or dislike it. We also have view more under each of these. So it helps keep you up to date on best practices on how to balance that work-life balance. Thank you so much for watching our Viva Insights, and stay well.